Lines Weber, rope and racing. Security Queen looking for the lead. Here comes Don Enrico. Security Queen in front, followed by Don Enrico. Running along third by some 3 lengths in the level Inca. Here comes Imperial Balaya. That's online by some 3 lengths. Shining Fame, then followed by Anonymous on a post. Bohemian David Diamond Duchess. And walking towards the back, Security Queen leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Don Enrico. And running by the wheel, 13 the level Link. Around the outside now, Imperial Ballet. 4 lengths for the back to Shining Fame. And passing the half mile is now Don Enrico leading the pack, followed by Security Queen. Here comes in the level Link. Around the outside now, Imperial Ballet. Inside the last 600, it's Don Enrico holding on with the neck leader. In the level Link, sneaking by the Imperial Ballet from the outside third. Shining Flame is down in fourth by some 5 lengths. And towards the final corner, it's still Don Enrico holding on with a half-length leader. And running by in the level Link, Imperial Ballet. And towards the 150, still Don Enrico. It's Balay coming up. Here comes in the level Link, Don Enrico in the level Link, but he's too late for Don Enrico. In the level Link, Imperial Balay. Anonymous, Shining Flame, and of course, Bohemian Dave, Security Queen, and Diamond Duchess.
At yun po muli ang talagang nakakapanabik na karera between Don Enrico and Indelible Link. Magandang makita dito yung tinapos na tiyempo nito.
Ano tingin mo po sa mga punto-punto ba?
32, mga ganun. There you have it. The horses coming back para sa timbangan. And nauna na po itong si Indelible Link dahil nga mas mababa ang numero dahil may photo finish tayo for first.
At coach, alam mo, mga kasama napakagandang karera nyo ha. Sa totoo lang, parang talagang nakakita na sila ng preview kung mangyayaring triple crown para sa taong ito. Although meron na tayong close finish between Don Enrico and Indelible Link. Sa pakiwari ko, coach, kasi parang kulang sa tuna po si Indelible.
Medyo napakante, no? The last time,
Don Enrico, kapag-tuna pa 1 week ng Champions League last February 1.
correct.
February 10.
Last campaign ni Indelible Link was December 16 sa kabila. Na kung saan si Don Enrico rin ang kanyang nakalaban. So, nantabay po tayo tayong karerista sa magiging opisyal na resulta nitong ating Hillracom Chairman's Cup. That's Jeffrey Cagula.